Hey. Big screen that shit. Bang. Hey.
Shit.
Damn. Bang.
You on the big screen.
Hey. Wait a minute though, little fat hoe. Better keep it walking with Joe ankle toes. Nigga wanna talk shit, but we ain't though. Nigga wanna get it, but they can't get it though. I smell your bitch from the next city, yeah. She need to wash her titty, young nigga hoe.
All of it, I know goddamn what it do. This ass bitch fucking stink. This ugly ass bitch with the fuck she thought. Tryna come around here smelling like a dunk. Bitch, you look like a donkey and you smell
Listen,
like a goddamn
bitch, don't
rat.
come around here smelling like a whole pot of motherfucking grease. Go on in the bathroom, get you some Colgate and brush your teeth. Smelling like you to eat a whole bunch of meat.
Damn.
Damn, bitch, get away from me. Smelling like feet. Looking like Uncle Ruckus. Looking like Uncle Ruckus. Smell like you been looking like Uncle Ruckus. Smell like you just stirred up a whole bunch of ruckus. But I don't know what. Go get your motherfucking bucket. Kentucky Fried Chicken. Kentucky Fried Chicken. Go ahead, living room, motherfucking eat it. If you don't, I'ma Michael Jackson and beat it. And I'ma have to put you up for no reason. Damn, fuck it to your man.
Got a rip on the leggings.
She got a rip in the leggings. That bitch smell like hot dogs and some boiled ass water. That bitch look like french fries. Tryna spoil her daughter. Bitch, what the fuck you thought? Tryna come around here floss. This bitch ass stink. Need to go home and fucking wash.
Bitch lying to me, talk about she ain't lettuce. Bitch, you lying, you allergic to lettuce. Fat ass bitch, better eat some lettuce. You need to get it on diet, bitch. Get it, get it, get it. Eat this lettuce. If I had to stuff it in your fucking damn belly, bitch, you better eat this lettuce to get old skinny. Better watch your belly, cause that shit ain't with it. Stinking old nasty bitch. Nasty ass salt in your addict shit. We ain't fucking with your little nasty bitch. Better watch your cooch smelling like this bitch, pissing me off. Better go ahead and walk that shit right off. Shit ain't going nowhere, but that stank steady there, but it's what going on. Bitch, better, bitch, fuck, bitch, Legend, bitch.
Stanky ass bitch can't kiss her mama. Come around here looking like some butter. Ashy ass skin. Bitch,
Oh, wait a minute.
you go to the back to the kitchen. Get in the refrigerator. Bitch, trying to eat up everything. It's everything eaten up. Bitch, you smell like onion rings. Bitch, you look like that.
Bitch, why you smell like onion rings? Don't smell like onion rings. You smell like a ding-a-lang. Bitch, why you smell like a ding-a-lang? Come around here smelling like Chinese food. Where's that? Get all of that grease off your fat ass back. You sweating and shit.
Smelling like bacon,
You sweating and shit. Why the fuck you come around here always sweating and shit? Take off your shoes. Oh, don't do that. Cause when you take them off, you gonna have to put the bitches right back. Cause your feet stink. Yeah, your feet real stanky. Go get a motherfucking blankie.
Just like that.
Bitch, you stink.
Squat.
Just like that.
Where the fuck my phone at?
Wait a minute, bitch. I'm gonna tell you like this.
Where the fuck? Baby.
Just come in here with 6 Big Macs, bitch. You came in here with 6 Big Macs and no fries?
Put a motherfucking burger out your pocket.
Bitch.
With the ketchup on the
What you got there, Big Mac? With the extra cheese, and special sauce, bitch.
Bitch, did you just pull out a hot dog?
Fully dressed hot dog, bitch.
Bitch, just pull out a hot dog with everything on it?
There's some goddamn chips.
Is that relish, bitch?
Them motherfucking nachos,
Bitch,
bitch.
is that relish?
Bitch.
Damn, you got ham on the back of your ass, bitch.
Bitch, you got bacon.
Why do your back smell like face, bitch?
Snap, yeah, bitch.